Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Alright guys, today on the chopping block, we're going to be showing you guys how to make, that's right, Buffalo Wild Wings. Alright? And here's my chicken. This is a family pack of chicken. So reason why I'm showing you guys this is because I'm trying to show you guys how to save money. Okay, because I know you have a big family or you maybe just want more to eat. Okay, so I have some medium right here, and this is the mild. Alright, and I have some rubs right here. Alright, so but today we ain't gonna use those. I'm just showing you what we're gonna be doing. We're going to go with this mild right here. Alright. And here's my chicken. Now you do want to let this chicken dry out and get it room temperature. We ain't going to put no seasoning on this or nothing. Here's all our seasoning is packed up in here, okay? So we're going to cook this chicken, guys, for about good 15 to 20 minutes. So what I mean by that is, I'm going to cook it for like 10 minutes, and I'm going to lift it up and let the grease build back up to like 350 degrees, and then I'm going to drop it again. Alright, that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and take this over there, and we're going to go ahead and fry this up for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to show you how that looks, and then I'm going to show you how it looks when I do it again, okay, for the second time. See you guys in a minute, so stay tuned in. Okay guys, we'll go ahead and start dropping these chicken wings. They gotta be dry, okay? And this is about 30 chicken wings. And I paid like $9 for the pack of, family pack of chicken wings. Okay guys, I'm gonna let that cook for 10 minutes. Right here, I'm just going to turn this to 10 minutes right here, and I'll be back. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and check on these. 10 minutes been up. So this is how they pretty much look after 10 minutes of cooking. See how they don't look like they all the way done. But they done, they floating, but they, you know how the discoloration of it, we ain't going for that. So I'll let you see that up close. I can give you a good picture of that, feel that. We're gonna pull this up rather. We're gonna let that temperature build back up. We're just gonna let that sit there and rest for about good 10 minutes. Over here. And when that builds up, we're gonna go ahead and drop it again for the final time, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and set this again for 10 minutes, like so. And when it builds up to like 350 again, we're gonna drop them. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, we built up here 350. We're going to go ahead and drop this again. I'm just going to use this thing because it's hot. Let that cook. Put the lid down on this. And see you guys in 10 more minutes. In a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. It's been about a good 8 minutes. I think they're brown enough for me. So you can cook yours for 10 if you want to. It's brown. See what I'm saying? So you want them about like that. Alright, I'm just going to put these in a bowl, just like so. You want to coat these while it's hot. There's the other 2 minutes. Like so. Last one. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this sauce. We're gonna pour that sauce in there. Just like this, guys. Here's how it's popping. Just like so. When we're done doing that, you can shake them up. Buffalo Wild Wings in your home. It ain't gonna be no different. I guarantee you that. They don't bread theirs. If you want to bread yours, I suggest you not to season it. Okay. All right. So that's about how they look right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and set this up. That tastes good. We're gonna go ahead and set this up on the plate. I do have some celery and some ranch sauce, and I'll see you guys over there when I'm done setting this up in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm done with this Buffalo Wild Wing. I'm gonna let you guys see that close. That's how that looks. If I can fit that in there. Got some celery and all that good stuff right there. Now, who want a bite? I'll let you guys get a bite of this. There you go. Alright, get that bite right there. Okay, that's yours right there. Alright, I'm gonna help you out. Got crispiness to it too. No, I'm finna hurry up and wrap this up. Good Lord. Make one reach the bone. So guys, you can make this stuff at home. And this is gonna feed at least 4 people, okay? I got some tater tots right here. On that. Okay. There you go. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like and share. Please share and subscribe to the channel. And please, yes sir, don't forget that bell. Hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time on VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out of here. About to eat though.